Your house is more than just a place where you lose your car keys and fight over the thermostat. It's actually a giant piggy bank full of home equity.
$50,000.
A HELOC, aka a home equity line of credit, lets you tap into it. It's like a credit card, but the money comes from the value of your house. But before you go spending it, you have to ask the most important question: how does a HELOC work? I'll show you how a HELOC works, when it actually makes sense, and the 4 signs that mean you should walk away.
Run, Forrest, run!
I'm Alex with Achieve Loans. We've helped over 2 million homeowners tap into their equity without the typical financial headache. Our HELOC is a flexible line of credit with 10, 15, 20, or 30-year terms, so members can access funds in a way that fits their personal financial goals. I'm going to give you the same straight talk breakdown we give them. No jargon, just the facts. Chapter 1. What is a HELOC and how does it work? It's the difference between what your house is worth and what you still owe the bank. Here's the key thing to understand. A HELOC works in 2 phases. Phase 1 is the draw period, usually the first 5 years. You borrow what you need, pay it back, and borrow again, like a revolving door of cash.
Man, I could really use that cash, Mark.
You only pay interest on what you actually spend. Think of it like a credit card, but one that's backed by your house instead of airline miles. Phase 2 is the repayment period. This can be 10, 15, 20, even 30 years. That revolving door of cash, now it's locked. You can't borrow anymore, and now you have to pay the piper. Since this loan is secured by your home, interest rates are usually way lower than that 24% credit card that's currently screaming at you from your wallet. But, hey, this is super important. Pay close attention part, okay?
It's complicated, so pay attention.
Your house is the collateral. You don't pay, the house gets taken away. Yes, really, it's that simple. So I'm curious, if you had a stack of cash from your home equity right now, would you fix that leaky roof or finally kill off those credit cards? Chapter 2. The 4 reasons a HELOC could be a smart move. So when is a HELOC actually a good idea and not just another bill? There are 4 main reasons homeowners use them. Number 1, debt consolidation. If your credit card is charging you 22% and a HELOC is at 9%, that could save you thousands. That's not just math, that's a rescue mission. Number 2, home improvements. Here's a smart play. Your house is worth $350,000. You've got $200,000 in equity. You take out a HELOC and renovate your kitchen and bathrooms. Done right? Your home jumps in value. Now that is a win. Number 3, medical bills or emergencies. Medical bills, family stuff, life being life. A HELOC can act like a financial safety net as long as you use it intentionally. And number 4, this is the one most people overlook. If you use the money to improve your home, the interest might be tax deductible. It's like the government giving you a high five for being responsible. Which of these scenarios sounds like your life right now? Chapter 3, the warning signs, when to walk away. Okay, now it's time to save you from making a huge mistake. If any of these apply to you, do not take out a HELOC, or at least pause and think really hard. I'm serious.
Whoa. Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
Manifesting money vibes is not a strategy. You need a real plan. Write it down. If you can't explain the math, don't sign the paper. Warning sign number 4, and this is the big one. If overspending got you here, a HELOC just gives the problem a bigger credit limit.
Houston, we have a problem.
You'll just end up in an even deeper hole, but now your house is at risk too. Yeah, fun. No! Fix the behavior first. Budget. Track your spending. Get comfortable being uncomfortable when looking at your bank account. A HELOC is a tool, not a magic wand. So real talk, have you been in any of these situations? What did you do? Share your story. Seriously, other people need to hear it. Chapter 4. Fixed rate versus variable rate. One last thing, and it's important. Most HELOCs have variable rates. That means your monthly payment can jump around like a toddler on espresso depending on what the Federal Reserve is doing. Rates go up, your payment goes up. Sometimes a lot. and you're just stuck with it. But there's another option, fixed rate HELOCs. With a fixed rate, your interest rate is locked in from day one. Your payment stays the same, no surprises, no, why did my bill just jump $200 panic. So if you prefer your financial life without the roller coaster, look for a lender that offers fixed rate options.
Dollar bills, y'all.
So let's wrap this up. If you started this video asking, well, how does a HELOC actually work? This is what you know now. A HELOC is a line of credit backed by your home equity with a borrow and repay phase, followed by a pay it all back phase. It can be smart for consolidating debt, funding home improvements, covering emergencies, or snagging tax deductions. But if your income is unstable, you don't have a repayment plan, or you haven't dealt with why you're in debt in the first place, walk away, seriously. And if you want to see what you might qualify for, Achieve Loans does free evaluations. No pressure, no obligation. The link is in the description. Here's why we're different. We're one of the few lenders offering fixed rate HELOCs. No teaser rates that balloon later, no payment surprises. We've funded over $1.5 billion in home equity loans. So yeah, we know what we're doing. Subscribe for more videos that actually explain money stuff without making you feel like an idiot. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.